Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. You guys asked for a 7-day diet plan to lose weight fast. So starting today, I'll be sharing a 7-day meal plan for weight loss. A full diet plan for the entire week to help you lose weight. And by the end of the week, you will be lighter, have less bloating, and will have more energy. This 7-day diet plan will help you to change your lifestyle, give you more ideas on how to prepare home-cooked healthy food with easily available and inexpensive ingredients. This is a refined sugar-free diet plan, so challenge yourself to wean off from sugar for the entire week. And following my recipes will help you a lot in the transition to a much healthier sugar-free lifestyle. Also note that I'm not using any refined oil or processed food in this diet plan. The oil I'm using is unrefined coconut oil and desi ghee. However, you can use any unrefined oil locally sourced from the place you live in. I have customized this plan and taken care of nutritional requirements and also included morning and bedtime drinks that will boost your metabolism. Also stock up some fresh fruits as you will be snacking on them for a week instead of junk fruit. Include 30 to 40 minutes of exercise like walking or yoga. So let's get started with the diet plan. Start your day with cinnamon tea. Cinnamon helps to burn stomach fat and also helps to boost your metabolism. I have already shared cinnamon tea recipe. Links will be updated in the description box below. For breakfast, I'm serving a quick and easy, filling and protein-rich paneer spread on a slice of brown bread and half an apple. Simply grate 50 grams of paneer and mix it with 1.5 tablespoons of oil-free weight loss green chutney. Spread the paneer mix on a slice of brown bread and for an Indian flavor, sprinkle chaat masala on top and some more grated paneer. Serve this with half an apple and breakfast is ready. So easy to make on those busy mornings. Oil-free green chutney links will be updated in the description box below. So please do check it out. Remember to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water, or you can have my infused water instead. All the recipe links, ingredients, tips and suggestions will be updated in the description box below. As a mid-morning snack, have half a banana. For lunch, have turmeric oats. The healthy fats in fresh coconut along with the whole oats will keep you satiated till your next meal. Turmeric oats is a very filling, tasty and easy lunch to make. As an evening snack, have a handful of roasted peanuts. Peanuts has healthy fats much needed for that energy dip. If you prefer to have tea or coffee, you can have milk tea or coffee, but without any added sugar. Dinner should be had by 7 p.m. and if you're commuting from work, please plan ahead. I'm serving a low-carb healthy salad mixed with boiled chana and sweet potato served on a lettuce leaf, and that means no roti or rice for dinner. Sweet potato has healthy carbs and proteins and they will help you to keep you fuller for a longer time. Sleep is an important factor in this diet plan, so try to sleep by at least 10:30. And as a bedtime drink, have my ginger tea. It will help you to boost your metabolism and cleanse your body while you sleep. Note that it is important that you drink plenty of water, avoid fried foods and no sugar for the entire week. Also include 30 to 40 minutes of exercise to get maximum benefits from this diet plan. So see you tomorrow with another full day diet plan. Until then, take care.